It's Nico from Fundamental, and today we're launching ShortCut to the world.
You're probably thinking this looks exactly like Microsoft Excel, and that's right. It has near perfect feature parity. You can edit any existing Excel file and export back to Excel, but it can also do your job. I had it build a multi-tab DCF model here with assumptions, drivers, a Monte Carlo simulation, comps analysis, sensitivity tables, and a final dashboard. And it did it in about 10 minutes. You can export your file and create a share link, and no one would ever know that it was made in ShortCut. ShortCut also lets you add your company's preferred templates so that you can directly manipulate the files the way you have to for work. Finally, everyone has their own preferences, and you can customize the way you like your files here in ShortCut.
But how do we know it's superhuman? We had ShortCut go head-to-head against first-year analysts from McKinsey, Goldman Sachs, and more, and then had managers from those same companies judge their work side by side.
ShortCut won 89.1% of the time. These were the hardest tasks in private equity, banking, consulting, personal use, product management, and big data. We tested ShortCut against ChatGPT Agent, even giving GPT 3 attempts and choosing its best. ShortCut won 90% of the time.
Now, even if our AI was perfect, which it's not, it would still be useless to you until you know that you can trust its outputs. So we created a new interface for you to review ShortCut's work more easily.
After every task, ShortCut shows you its review changes feature. Just toggle it off and on, and it shows me everything it's built, which cells are formula-driven, which are hard-coded, and I can even click into the specific cells and see the exact quote from the data that it comes from.
ShortCut isn't just better, faster, and easier to review. It's also now hireable. Under the Max plan, try our analyst beta that lets you spin up to 10 concurrent ShortCut agents at once.
Max users can email analyst@tryshortcut.ai, just like a coworker. Here I asked for 5 different financial models, and I got them back within 20 minutes. This could have taken a whole week or up to 100 times longer for a human.
ShortCut is officially live now. Try it before your boss does.